How to use Instagram Maps feature. To use the Instagram's Maps feature, first of all, launch the application itself on your device. Once you open it, all you have to do is now head towards your inbox by tapping on this paper plane icon from the bottom navigation bar. Now you simply have to go ahead and tap on your note or your profile picture over here right below the search bar. Once you tap on this, you will find this location option. All you have to do is now go ahead and make sure that you are turning this feature on by tapping on this not sharing option. You can now select whom to share your location with, your friends, your close friends, or your followers. Once you go through all of these options, go ahead and tap share at the bottom. And this is how you can use the Instagram Maps feature. You can also find other people's over here and you can view their contents as well. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.